Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to mainly explain about how to connect Visual Studio Visual Studio to IoT Hub. So basically we required Visual Studio as required, and we required Azure account. So in this video I will show how the Azure portal and how the Azure Hub or Azure device is added. So now go to the browser. In this browser, go to the Azure. Basically I am a student, so you can go to the student, otherwise if you want to use the free account in another portal. So here I'm starting start free, so here we need to sign up. So here I sign up. So here start free. So basically start free, it will ask some signups. After that username, all that addresses, all the sign up fill-ups. We go to that after that sign up, we will get this part. So after that we came to this portal. So here we have to create a portal. So go to the Azure. Here you need to type IoT Hub. So here we can see IoT Hub. So we can see that IoT Hub. So here I created it as my name. So this is my university. Present I am currently studying. So this is my IoT Hub name. So click on it. So by clicking on it, we can see several options down on left hand side. So go to the IoT devices. So by going this option, so here I create by adding the devices, I can create a device name. So here it is I created a Manikanta. So basically here we need one more thing. It is IoT Explorer. So I basically put the link in the description. So how to download based upon the Windows or Ubuntu. For Ubuntu the extension is .deb, and for Windows it is .msi. So basically we're going to the IoT Explorer. Sorry for that. IoT Explorer. So Azure IoT Explorer. I will give the link description below, so you can download it from it. So here basically by adding the connection, you can connect to that. Adding connection, you can see that pop-up message. So here the connection string is like here in Azure portal, go to the shared access policies. So shared access policies, going to the shared access policies, here click the first IoT Hub owner option. So in this we in this click primary connection string, copy it. By clicking this we can directly copy it. So go to the IoT Explorer, Azure IoT Explorer, and paste it. Sorry, it is not the okay. It is telling that a specific string is already listed, so it's already listed in it. So that's it. While clicking it, you will get this names, host name, shared access policies, shared access key. After that, you can save here. By saving that, you will go to the IoT connections, like this part. So click on it. IoT. My name is IoT. My IoT device is Manikanta. So I click on it. So here we can see that different options. Device. Click on the device identity. So in that device identity, go to the connection string with SAS token. So by this, go to the symmetric key. Click primary key here, generate it, so we can get a SAS token here. So copy it and go to the Visual Studio Code. I will share this source code. This is basically MQTT protocol, protocol. So this source code I will share in the description. So basically I copy that. We created a device name. Here we can see that device name. So and hub name we need to put here. And SAS token, one part is that while creating it, not copy and run it all the part, but we need some part in it. Here we go, and here we need to take this part out. Yes, that's it, and that's it. I can write it now. So basically it is already connected to that part. So basically we go to the IoT Hub and see the overview of a particular device, or we can see the telemetry IoT device. See, total number of messages used 13, 1, and the connected device total messages, we can see that. And by this otherwise we can go to the metrics. In this metrics we can use this metric option. In this we go to the telemetry message sent option, so we can basically see that part of message sent. So we can use different parts. So basically I sent it. This is the simple program of sending from Visual Studio to IoT Hub. This is the basic connection between that. Here basically IoT device and Visual Studio connection between the two between two connections. So Thank you guys. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again.